Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Yesterday we had taken Tata Motors for the cash market trading, and how we have taken that trade, everything we have explained in the Telegram channel, both in premium group as well as in the free group. So what happened yesterday, as per using our screener, we listed our Tata Motors. So we thought market will come near this buy zone 692 693 range. So we were telling in the Telegram group at 9:24 that you buy Tata Motors near 693, where it is mentioned here. At 9:24 I had mentioned buy near Tata Motors 693. But what happened, unfortunately market has not turned to that level. So it has taken reversal from the previous support itself. So we found one doji candle here at 9:25. So immediately at 695 I have taken the order and I have posted the screenshot also after execution. Okay, 695 I had taken, and after that I have placed the order for 694 also, 694 also, and 693 also I have mentioned some thousand shares. So 3000 share yesterday I was in hold, but market has reversed immediately after from 694.35. the low made was 694.35. my order was at 694, so it did not execute, only first 1000 share was executed. So after that our minimum target will be 1 point or 2 points, otherwise we can keep revising the stop loss. This was our strategy, and immediately we got the profit and we exited around 705. Suppose if you are trading as per our indicator iCore 2.0, you would be wondering where to enter, because you have taken entry at 695, but here the entry level is at only 705. So where to enter, you might be asking. So for that it is very simple. If you have chosen bullish only stock, avoid the sell. If you have taken bearish only stock, avoid the buy. So as per our strategy, this Tata Motors is not the bearish one, it is a bullish stock. So we have to take only the buy entry, that is above 707.30 we have to buy. See, after 707 market has given very good momentum and we got all our targets hit, all the 3 targets hit, 7 points we got the profit. If you have taken only 1000 share, 7 points, 7000 rupees profit. But here we have taken at the extreme low, okay, from 695 to 715. So how much profit it will be, you can calculate yourself. That's all. This is our simplest concept. And what about the Bank Nifty yesterday? So once again I will go here and I will add the Bank Nifty. Always I am talking about this part because most of the people are interested to trade in the options. See, yesterday what happened? It has taken support from this level, okay, from our customized MGR, and since we are trading in the Bank Nifty, we have to revise the stop loss to tiny 2, and you can reduce the stop target also tiny 2, otherwise you can keep tiny also, it's up to you. So yesterday what happened, here we got the one bullish doji, we got taken entry here, otherwise we can take the entry, sell entry. Market has given only small target, then it has reversed back, and here we got the buy got activated, and from there we got first target hit, second target hit, and third target also perfectly hit in 1:2 ratio. So hope this is clear. Very simple method. If the market is coming down, we will be buying. If the market is going up, we will be selling. If SL hit, we will be going for the reversal entry. And if you want, you can use some confirmation candles like bullish R3C, bearish R3C, all those things you can use. So our concept is very simple. Please use it as per our teaching, and you also can apply your own method in our indicator so that you will get better result. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you. and I had mentioned about digital rupee in the Tamil video, so please watch it. That will be very easy to understand. If you want to know more about digital currencies, digital rupee, and how it can be utilized for our trading, please ping us. We will be helping you. Otherwise, we will release one more video. If you are giving more likes and more comments, more sharing, we will be releasing in the English also. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.